Hello everyone, this is Lynette with the Skin Candy. Thank you so much for joining us today on another one of our soapy time adventures. This is a remake soap today. This is going to be the lemon poppy seed that I made a couple of months ago. Was very popular. I sold out of it very quickly, and I just haven't had any time to get it done until just today. So we're going to go ahead and get that made today. I'm going to make a little bit of a twist on it. This allows me to work really well with this fragrance. The lemongrass essential oil really loosens up the batch, so I have time to work with it. So what I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to, it's all going to be in one pot, but I'm going to color it with a little bit with the Mad Micah's Taxi Cab. Even though my oils are yellow right now, they do still tend to dry or saponify at a cream color, and I still want to give it a yellowy look. So I'm going to be putting in a little bit of this Taxi Cab, but what I'm going to do is then I'm going to pour some in my mold, and then I'm going to add a little bit of titanium dioxide with the water in it, and then I'm just going to kind of lighten it up. So I'm going to end up having some like 3 different yellow kinds of swirls, if that makes any sense. And of course, we are going to be adding the poppy seeds. And the poppy seeds were a huge hit. The amount that I added, people seemed to really enjoy that. I am going to take the advice of one of the commenters on the last video. And I'm going to add a little bit less and see how that is. I may have some unhappy customers, but maybe it'll be fine. So I'm going to go ahead and do that today. And then I will be able to, and yeah, then we'll just go from there. But I'm going to just add that in. I'm probably going to pour it in. I might use a hanger tool to kind of swirl it around a little bit. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with that yet. So without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and let's get soaping. Sorry about that, guys. My battery shut off. I mean, filming for 15 minutes and it decides that the battery depleted when it was full to begin with. Anyways, what I was saying is that when you're using titanium dioxide that's been mixed with water or oil, you usually can get all the lumps out of it, so you don't have to worry about it. It's kind of hard to tell the difference in these, but oh, that kind of went a little bit solid than I wanted. Changing out that battery made a huge difference. Okay. So we're just going to work a little bit faster. And normal. I think I'm going to save some of this for the top and actually put more white in it, make it even a little bit lighter. So we are going to use the hanger tool because I need to get this down in there.